Namaste friends, welcome to Learn with J, empowered by Magic Needles. This day I am here with a pattern which is called as Hearts pattern, Hearts motif in the project. This can be used for your skirts, your tops, for scarves and all types of things, and this I thought it will be suitable for your Valentine's week, and so I'm coming up with this pattern. I saw this pattern somewhere, I don't remember where. Okay, if I am duplicating it, I'm sorry. I like this pattern, so I'm creating a video for it. This pattern requires multiples of 5 plus 3 chains. Okay, and then we start with the first chain here. So I have made multiples of 5 for T plus 3 chains. For this, I'm using Rose Pink Hobby Store Arran yarn, which is a 100% premium acrylic anti-pill medium weight 4 with color code 2033. Okay, and to begin the first one, make chain 3 or a double crochet in the very first stitch. I'm going to make chain 3, and in the first 1, 2, 3, 4th chain from the hook here, you make a double crochet, and then chain 3, yarn over, skip 4 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4, and in the 5th chain you make 2 double crochets. This pattern is versatile. You can figure out and plan out the number of stitches needed here. So I am doing it with 7 stitches in over 5 stitches. So I have made 2 in the first one, 1 DC each in the next 3 chains, and then 2 DC in the next one. So 5 chains I've converted into 7 stitches here. Fine. Now chain 3, skip 4, in the 5th one place 3 double crochets, all in the same space, in the same chain here or the same stitch. If you are over a stitch, on the same stitch. Okay, again chain 3, skip 4, yarn over, skip 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and we're going to make next 5 chains into 7 stitches. So in the first and the last, we are going to place 2 DCs, then 1 DC in each of the next 3 chains, again chain 3, skip 4, and in the 5th chain make 3 double crochets, place 3 double crochets there, again chain 3, skip 4, place, you're going to use next 5 chains. The first one of them you're going to place 2 double crochets. The second, third and fourth you're going to place 1 double crochet each. Only the first row it is a little tricky and you should be very careful. And then in the next 2 double crochets. So we will come to the end. We will be left with 5 chains. This requires multiples of 5 plus 2 stitches, not 5 plus, multiples of 5 plus 3 stitches, multiples of 5 plus 2 stitches. So now chain 3 and yarn over and place 2 double crochets in the last stitch here. Turn and place a double crochet in the very first one or chain 3, whichever suits you, and then place 2 double crochets here. This is actually half of the full stitch we are doing in the corners, and then chain 3, now you have 7 stitches here. You are going to do 4 DCs together. Half the incomplete double crochet in the first one, incomplete double crochet in the second one, incomplete double crochet in the third one, incomplete double crochet in the fourth one, and then you will have 5 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through 4 of them, and then yarn over, pull through 2. Now chain 5. Then you will begin your next incomplete DC in the same stitch where you completed the last one. So that is in this stitch where you have placed the last incomplete DC. So first incomplete DC, the second one, the third one, the fourth one, yarn over, pull through 4, yarn over, pull through 2. Now chain 3. We place 3 DCs here. These 3 DCs we are going to convert it into 5 of them. So yarn over, make 2 double crochets in the very first of them, then 1 double crochet in the middle DC, and 2 double crochet in the next. This pattern is beautiful. The hearts will be alternating. Okay. Now chain 3. Again you are going to work 4 DCs together, again 4 DCs together, and again you are going to convert this into 5 DCs, chain 3, 4 DCs together, 4 DCs together. When you do 4 DCs together, you separate them with chain 5 spacing. Okay, I shall complete the row and get back to you. I have completed this row here. I have placed 2 DC and 1 DC as the last one. That is 2 DC I have converted into 3 here. We started with converting 2 into 3. Now turn over. Again place here first DC on the very first stitch, or you can make chain 3 and turn, and then 1 DC in the next, and in the third DC we are going to make 2 DCs. Okay, having done this, here is a twist, chain 3 now, and we have made 5 chains here in the middle chain. So 1, 2 and 3. In this third chain here we need to make 3 double crochets. 1, 2 and 3. Now chain 3. We have 5 DCs here, so we have to convert it into 7 DCs. You will place 2 DCs in the very first one, 1 DC each in the next third, the next 3 DCs, 2 DCs in the next one. So this count is very important, otherwise your hearts will not look good. Okay, now again we have come to the chain 5 spacing here. So what you do is chain 3 and place 3 DCs in the center stitch, not in the space, in the chain itself. So that only will give a good and beautiful look for your hearts, because this will get converted into heart in the next 2 rounds. This 3 will become 5, 5 will become 7, and then the heart will be formed. Okay. Next, chain 3. We have 5 DCs, converted into 7 DCs. Two in the last one, fifth one. So this is the pattern repeat. Wherever you find 5 DCs, convert it into 7. And wherever you find chain 5 space, in the middle chain you make 3 DCs for this particular row. Now, this is separated by 3 chains. Okay, I'll meet you at the end here. At the end of the 4th row, this is how it looks. Here we have 4 DCs. So whenever you find 4 DCs, you have to convert them into 4 into 1. That 4 DCs work together. So what you do is, first one, either chain 2 or incomplete DC, and then second incomplete DC, third incomplete DC, fourth incomplete DC. You should have 5 loops on the hook. So yarn over, pull through 4 of them, yarn over, pull through 2 of them. Chain 3 now. Now you have 3 DCs, you have to convert it into 5. So 2 DCs in the first, 1 DC in the next, and 2 DCs in the next. Now when you have 7 DCs, you have to work 4 together, 4 together. Now chain 3, 4 DCs together. So the middle one is a common one. So yarn over, pull through 4, then yarn over through 2. Chain 5. Yarn over. Next 4 together, starting from the last stitch we placed our DCs together. 2, 3 and 4, and yarn over, pull through 4, yarn over, pull through 2. So now you can see that the shape of the heart is formed. So continue. Wherever you find 3 DCs, convert it into 5. When you find 7 DCs, you're going to work 4 DCs together, separated by chain 5, another 4 DC together. 4 DC together, chain 5, 4 DC together. Then chain 3, these 3 DCs you will convert it into 5. Continue till the end. I shall meet you at the end here. So now you can see that the heart has taken shape, and these heart will stagger. Now this 1, 2, 3, these will become the hearts in the next one, and this will take form. So it's a pattern repeat of rows 2, 3 and 4. Okay, so I shall work one or two more rows, one more pattern, and then get back to you. Yeah, we have placed these 4 stitches together here. So here we need to make 2 DCs like the first row and continue. So I have finished another set of hearts here. See how these hearts are staggering. So this is how this pattern is continued. It's a pattern repeat of rows 2, 3 and 4. So simple logic, wherever you have 3 DCs at the end, you're going to have 7 DCs converted into the final heart pattern, and then you will be having 3 converted into 5, again continue. And if you have 2 DCs in the end, when you're starting, you will have 7 DCs next after chain 3 space, and continue. It's similar to that. Hope you enjoyed this video, friends. I shall be back with yet another video with a new pattern. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe to Magic Needles channel. Do not forget to hit on the bell icon so that you are notified as and when we upload a new video. Bye for now. Have a great day.